In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use the Draw tool in Microsoft Word. First, let's begin by opening up the Word document that you'd like to work on. With your document open, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find the various tabs available in Word. Now, you're going to want to look for the Draw tab. This tab is specifically designated for drawing and annotating purposes. However, if you're unable to locate the Draw tab, don't worry. Sometimes it may not be immediately visible by default, but you can easily customize your ribbon to include it. To do this, move your cursor up to the File menu located in the upper left corner of Word and click on it. This will open a list of options where you need to select the Options button. A new window will appear, giving you various categories on the left side. What you need to do is click on Customize Ribbon. After selecting that, you'll notice a panel to the right. This is where you can add or remove tabs from your ribbon. Scroll through this panel until you find the option labeled Draw. Simply check the box next to the Draw option and then click OK at the bottom of the window. Voila! The Draw tab should now be visible on your ribbon, ready for use. Now, let's explore the tools available within the Draw tab. Once you've accessed this tab, you'll see a variety of drawing tools to choose from, providing great flexibility depending on what you want to achieve. One of the most commonly used tools is the set of pens. These tools are fantastic for freehand drawing or writing directly onto your document, allowing for personalized notes or shapes. Another useful tool is the highlighter. This is perfect for emphasizing certain parts of your document, just like using a highlighter pen on a physical sheet of paper. It's a handy way to make particular text or areas stand out without altering the original content of your document. Should you make any changes that you'd like to undo, the eraser tool is there to help. This tool allows you to remove any part of your drawing or annotations that you decide you no longer need. It's a simple way to keep your document tidy without having to start from scratch. To begin drawing or annotating, simply click on the pen or highlighter tool of your choice. As you do so, you can start to draw or write directly onto your document using your mouse, touchpad, or other input devices. This is where your creativity can flow freely, adding a personal touch to your work or simply enhancing it in ways text alone cannot. And there you have it. These simple steps will enable you to unlock a new dimension of functionality within your Word documents, empowering you to convey your ideas more dynamically and effectively.